True or false general knowledge quiz, 25 questions, 10 seconds. Here is the question number 1. All mammals have fur or hair. True or false? It's true. The Great Wall of China is visible from space. True or false? True. Question number 3. All birds can fly. False. The first computer mouse was made out of wood. True or false? True. The Earth's moon is larger than Pluto. True. Dolphins are fish. True or false? False. The largest desert in the world is the Sahara Desert. True or false? True. Question number 8. All spiders are venomous. False. The moon orbits around the earth. True or false? True. Question number 10. The largest ocean in the world is the Atlantic Ocean. False. Alexander Fleming discovered the penicillin. True. Question number 12. Peanuts are not nuts. True or false? True. Butterflies are not birds. True. A hexagon has 6 sides. True or false? True. Question number 15. The sun is a planet. False. The Eiffel Tower is taller than Empire State Building. False. The United States has 50 states. True or false? This statement is true. The Amazon River is the longest river in the world. False. Question number 19. The capital of Japan is Tokyo. True. The official language of Brazil is Spanish. False. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is located in Italy. True or false? This statement is true. Sound travels faster in water than in air. True. A kilometer is longer than a mile. True or false? False. Diamonds are formed from the compressed coal. False. Question number 25. Spain is located in the South America. false.